Why is the process of Hajj so complicated?
It's well, you see, it's not exactly very complicated because if you understand the philosophy of Hajj is like an army camping in various areas and pelting stones at columns, symbolizing as if that real enemy is Satan, and you are getting ready to pelt those stones. You're wearing two unstitched pieces of cloth to signify that you have dedicated yourself for this cause. So it's like a 5 day affair in your whole life, and it invigorates you to this extent that if ever your own life is needed for the cause of God. So remember, unless you have this importance of giving up your life for the cause of God, perhaps it would become difficult for you to understand Hajj. So you see, Hajj basically symbolizes that you are making available yourselves uh, for this war against Satan, and at the same time, you are going to pelt stones at him in a symbolic way, symbolizing the fact that when you go back in life, every evil that comes your way, every evil desire, you'll just close your eyes and you imagine yourself you're going to pelt stones at that evil desire or that evil thought that comes to you. So basically, it has a very huge impact on your life as well when you come back. If you know that this is a symbolic war against Satan, that I it's like a workshop. Ramadan is like a workshop. Basically, the fruits of Ramadan are reaped after Ramadan, so that you can find yourself whether you're a better person or not. So similarly, Hajj is like a workshop. It gives you that energy that when I go back in my own lives, I will be lured by Satan. I'll be presented with evil desires, and I have to counter them. So it is here that you shut your eyes and imagine that it's like an army, that you had that training in that army, that your final and your biggest enemy is Satan, and you ended up your Hajj by pelting stones at him. So today, if he in your own lives, in some way, he is trying to make you arrogant, he is trying to make you, someone who is going to give way to lust or anything, any evil desire. So you immediately recall your experience of Hajj, that you had that whole exercise, a 5 day exercise of like an army encamping at various places, and finally pelting stones at your greatest enemy. So if you have that in mind, that this is basically how you are going to counter Satan when you are back in your lives in Australia or wherever you're living, then you'll be able to understand that this is something that is going to really boost your morale, and it's going to really work in your favor by not letting him get the better of you.